Section 1, Introduction. 1.1, What to expect from this course. Welcome to Blockchain and Bitcoin Fundamentals course. You will learn how blockchain technology works, as well as how you can get started using Bitcoin. I will first describe what is blockchain, what is Bitcoin, and will explain some key concepts in Bitcoin. Then I will talk about the value of blockchain. So, what is a blockchain? Blockchain is a constantly growing ledger that keeps a permanent record of all transactions that have taken place in a secure, chronological, and immutable way. We can define blockchain as a file that is constantly growing and keeps all transactions. Once the transaction is in, you can't pull it out. Information is placed there in a secure way. It uses advanced cryptography to make it secure inside blockchain.